Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a assemble body of this assemble parts of this body. Okay, this is a SolidWorks 2016 and this lecture is 4 and SolidWorks assemble command and how to all command is one by one is learner and how to this process is learner easily and clearly. And guys, this is a standard met is two parts is discussed here. First is perpendicular and this is a tangent, and this is a very important lecture. This part and this assemble command is discussed here. Okay, this is a workspace, and at first going to this insert part and going to this open a browser and save here any this part, and then open this part, and this size is a increase and this is a small icon. Okay, this is a use this large icon and extra large is this. Okay, all is a perfect, and this body is a okay, and this is a perfect, and select this and select this use at first select this house and open, and anywhere is this is at first going to this this coordinate system, and this is a origin. Both is connected, both is a select here, and this part is a drag here. This part is a automatic is select here this, and okay, this is a perfect, and this use a hide, but this body is a fix here, this body is a correct. And next part is again select this and going to this use a shaft. Okay, and this is a this open here. Okay, but this relation is used here this okay, and okay, all is perfect, and this both two relation is this standard met is relation is first is perpendicular and second is tangent is discussed here this and second at first going to this met, and met is used here, and met is very important. This this three met is important is discussed here. First is a standard met, and second is advanced met, and this is a mechanical met, and this three met is very important. Any body is assembled here. At first select this met is a standard met is select here. This going to this coincident and parallel and perpendicular and tangent and concentric and log, and distance is all is a perfect. But select this going to advanced met, and going to this is a profile center and symmetric and width is very important. Lecture is discussed here, and path met, and this is a linear and linear coupler, and going to this distance. Okay, and again select this use a mechanical met, and going to this is a cam and slot this is a hinge and gear and rack pinion. Rack pinion is very important, and this is a screw, and this is a universal joint, and all is a perfect. But one by one is learner, and to discuss here this is a standard met is this okay, and at first this use a coincident and parallel. This lecture is a okay, this already is a discuss here, and to discuss here a perpendicular, and at first select this and select this. Okay, this use a concentric, but to discuss here this use a perpendicular, and then this body is a perpendicular. Okay, and this body is a use a tangent, this use a tangent. Okay, this is a delete here, but and select this body and going to this face, and this body is this and going to tangent and click OK, and this is a tangent here. Okay, this is a okay, this relation is a tangent here. Okay, and this perfect okay, okay, but this relation is a user this and again select this body and use this. Okay, okay, but use this is a perfect and going to this perpendicular means select this and select this body and going to this concentric, but concentric is discussed here next lecture, but discuss here a perpendicular. This body is perpendicular and this click here. Okay, this body is a perpendicular here, this body, and okay, this is a both is perfect and okay, this is a delete here, and next part is this delete here. Okay, okay, and again select going to insert component and okay, and this use a okay, this use this select this two part. Okay, okay, and again select use this perpendicular and tangent is a learner, and this body is this. At first this is some rotate this body. Okay, this body is not rotate because at first select this is a floating mode, click here, and this is this, and this at first select this rotate here. Okay, and at first going to this mate, and mate is this is click here and select this and going to this face. Okay, this is a concentric. Concentric means this is a both center is same, but this relation is a perfect relation, and to discuss here both relation is a linear. This is a tangent and this is a perpendicular. Going to this tangent, this relation is a tangent here. This is a body is a tangent, or any this line is a okay, this is a tangent here, and going to this perpendicular, when this is a perpendicular this. Okay, this line is a perpendicular, and parallel is also this is a parallel, and perpendicular is this, tangent is this, and but concentric relation is this. Okay, all is a perfect, and okay, okay, and this is this, and again select this relation, and this body is this, and select this face and this and going to this relation, distance is a 5 is this, and 10 is a this. Okay, 20 is a this, and okay, 30 is a perfect. Okay, but this is a 20 is a better. Click OK, all is a perfect, but this is a inside, and this relation is a undo. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software is all parts is assemble here, and how to assemble of this body, and all assemble command is learn here. And guys, this is a Solidworks 2016, and this lecture is 5 and Solidworks assembly command, and how to all command is learn here one by one. And this command is a standard mate command, and both two important command is discussed here. First is a concentric and this is a log, and both is very important for a beginner student, and how to all part is assemble here. Okay, let's start here. This you can see here on the screen, and going to this. Okay, at first select this, going to assemble. Okay, and at first some setting is very important, and going to this plain white. Okay, and going to this option, and document properties, and image quality is very high because all body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, this is a two important point is discussed here. First is concentric, and this is a second point is log, and both is a standard mate is used here. Okay, at first going to insert part, and going to this browse is open, and all part is a design, all parts is a design here. This and at first going to this roots floor design, one by one all parts is design here, and last is this body is assemble here. But 2 point is discussed here. This any select any two parts, and select this. Okay, and going to two parts is a select here first, and okay, and this is a select here of first, second and third is very important. Okay, and this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And okay, at first select this is a not move here, and going to this is a use a float, and this is a move here, and this use a rotation of this body. Okay, okay, and at first this use a concentric is this, and this is a log, and select this command is how to work concentric command, and going to this mate, and mate is this is a three important command is discussed here. This is a standard mate, and this is advanced mate, and this is a mechanical mate, and both is a all three mate is very important. And select this is a standard mate is this coincident, and this is going to parallel and perpendicular and tangent and concentric and log, and all this is a coincident and parallel and perpendicular and tangent is discussed here. And today discuss here this concentric and log is discussed here. Okay, and advanced mate is a click here, and going to this profile center, and this is symmetric, and going to this width, and this is a path mate, and this is a linear and linear coupler, and this is a distance, and one by one is all command is discussed here. And going to this is a mechanical mate is a cam, and this is a slot, and this is a hinge, and this is a gear, and this is a rack pinion, and rack pinion is very important lecture. and this is a screw, and this is a universal joint. But one by one is a discuss here, and today discuss here two important command is this. At first going to this concentric, and this use a mat and select this first is this face, and this is select this, and automatic is this line is a use a concentric, and concentric is a very important, okay, because both center is a same, and going to this body, and this is a same here, okay. And going to this same, and again select this face, and this is a this use a coincident, and coincident relation is also very useful, and concentric relation is also very useful, okay. Okay, and next is a, okay, and this okay, sorry, okay, this use are very important, and going to this mat and select this, and this use this, and concentric relation is perfect, this user this, and again select this body, and going to okay, and this is a okay, this use this, okay, and again select this face, and this is a this relation is a coincident, and okay, and this body is a this, okay, all is perfect, okay, and this is a okay, okay, and all is a perfect, and going to press a control button, and this body is a select here this, okay, and again select this, and this is a this, okay, and this use a mat, and select this, and this use a this is a select a concentric, okay, but this undo, but this is a use of fix. Next command is this lock, and lock is how to work, and select a mat, and select this, and select this, and going to this lock is a this, okay, lock is a this, and click okay, this is a lock here, not use, and this is a also undo, and this is a press a control button, and select this, and this use a select this, use this mat, and select this first, this second, and this is a concentric is perfect, but this is a going to this up and down, but this body is a lock here, and this body is a lock here is this, and select this, and select this. Both is a okay. Select here this face, mate, select here this face, and this body is a lock, and then use this and click OK, and then OK, this is a lock here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect. And going to this, okay, and press a control button, and this body is also this, and also select a mate, and then this use this, and this is this concentric relation, and going to this, and also select this first, and second, this is a second, this concentric, but this use a lock, and okay, this is a okay, and this body is a lock here. This is a fix, this is a fix here, and this lock command is very important. Use here other place, but this place is not, but this is only learn here, and lock command is very important. Okay, and how to work this lock command is discussed here. Lock command is some suitable point is discussed here, but okay, guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this assemble command is learn here, and this is advancement is width, and this width is define here, and how to this width command is used here easily and clearly, and today discuss here a very important point. And guys, this Solidworks assembly command is discussed here, and how to this width command is learn here, and this is a advancement, and going to advancement, and this is a width, and how to this width command is discussed here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This command is learn here. Okay, and at first going to this select here assemble, and this is assembly is this, and going to some setting is very important. Okay, all is perfect, and going to this insert component, and insert component is this, and going to this all parts is save here, and going to this ball bearing. Okay, this okay, this is this, and okay, all is perfect, and going to this okay, this is not but use here this at first going to this, and okay, roller bearing is also okay, this is a perfect, and going to this first point and select this is second, and going to this first and second, and this part is already a draw here, but this is how to work this command is discussed here. This use a width command, and this is to discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is only a assembly command is discussed here, and this part is how to this part is drawing here, and then this and this YouTube channel CAD CA tutorial, this playlist, going to playlist, and how to this body is drawing here. All video and all lecture is available here. Okay, and to discuss here this point is this okay, at first going to this select a matte. Okay, and matte is going to this advanced matte, and this use a width, and this is a matte selection is width selection, and this is a tab selection. Okay, both is one by one is select here, and okay, select this select this face and select this face. Okay, and select this automatic is this is a width selection is this automatic is this is a select here, and going to this tab selection, and this is a first second, and going to this all is a width is a this. And going to this body and going to this. Okay, and okay, but this is a this body select here, and this relation is a concentric. Okay, and this relation is a and this relation is concentric is this first point, and select this second, and this relation is a concentric, and this is a okay, and all is a perfect. Click OK, and select this relation is concentric, and this is a width, and both relation is a select here, and going to this is a perfect, and all is a this use here. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this is a perfect, and going to this isometric view, and okay, 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 and guys, this is a width command is learn here, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and this is a 2016, and this lecture is 12, and this use a Solidworks assembly command, and this command is a mechanical mate, and this point is gear, and how to define this gear command, and how to work, and how to this command gear is a user Solidworks software. Okay, we discuss here a very important lecture for a beginner or student. Okay, this point is discuss here this okay, let's start here. This point is learn here. Okay, at first select this point. This is a symbol of this first point, and some point is a symbol here, and at first going to this mat, and mat is going to this this is a standard mat, and this is advanced mat, and this is a mechanical mat. Okay, this mechanical mat is select here, and going to this gear, and how to this gear mat, and this gear mat is work here easily and clearly. We'll discuss here. At first some point is discuss here this Okay, at first use a standard mat is open here, and some relation is this. Click here this face and going to this this body is a relation is coincident, and okay. Okay, and going to this inside, and again this body is this okay. Okay, this is this. Okay, select here this and okay. Select here this, and this is a coincident relation is this. Okay. Okay, and again select this face, and this face is a this, and this is a coincident. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this rotation is very very important. Okay, this is a perfect, and again exit, and again select this, select press a control button and select this and drag here this is this, and okay, and again select this going to mat and select this face, and this is this, and the relation is concentric. Okay, and all point is assemble here, and last is use here a gear mat. Okay, and select this face and this face, and this distance is this 30 millimeter. Okay, this, and this is perfect. Okay, and exit. Okay, and drag here this and select press a control button and select this body and drag here this. Okay, okay, this is a drag here, this is this, and delete here because this is some not perfect. And press a control button and select this. Okay, and this is this. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this is not any relation, and at first select this and going to mat, and this is this, select here, and this is a concentric relation is this, and okay, select this, and this face is this. Okay, this is a coincident relation, select this face, and this face is a coincident relation is this. Okay, all is a perfect, and going to this use a perfect relation is a gear. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this is a drag, this is a rotate, and this body is a rotation a separate, but this relation is used here this gear, and rotation is this, and this is used this. Okay, 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 and going to use a mat, and going to this use a mechanical mat is this. Okay, and going to this use a gear, select here, and gear is this ratio is this and this, and select this face. First is this. Okay, this is this, and and this again select this okay, and this ratio is a 20 millimeter and this is a 20 millimeter, and okay, all is equal and all is perfect and correct, and both face is selected, and was simple this both face is selected, and this ratio is equal, and going to this, click here, and this relation is a perfect. Okay, this use a gear mat. Okay, this is a beautiful relation, and how to work this and exit, and this relation is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect and better looking here. And again select this going to at first going to this use a spur gear, and this relation is also perfect and correct, and going to this design, this is going to toolbox, and toolbox is this is a use a metric, and metric is this is a power transmission, and this a gear, and gear is a spur gear. A spur gear is very important. Okay, select here this and a spur gear. Okay, this is a beautiful looking here. Spur gear is perfect, and going to some relation is this and module is 3, number of teeth is 30, and pressure angle is 20, and face width is 15. Okay, and hover style is none, and going to this okay, all is perfect, and this nominal shaft diameter is 20, and all is perfect, and so teeth is 30, means all is perfect, and click OK. And one again this select here and going to this, and one again but not extra is a user, and this is a delete, but this relation is this up and down is not a fix, but going to mat, and mat is relation is this standard mat, and going to this face and this face, and use a coincident, and this perfect, and also going to this face and this face, and going to this is a okay, okay, but this is a not a relation but separate user, and some use a plane, and going to this okay, and all is perfect, okay, and exit here. But this relation is very important relation, and at first going to this this part is select here, and again select this okay, and again select this spur gear, and this is a this, select this is a this. Okay, at first select this spur gear, this is a part 3 shaft, and okay, going to this at first use a top plane and press a control button, and going to this spur gear. A spur gear is first, okay, this use a shaft first. Okay, this part 3 shaft first means this is a spur gear first, and use a shaft second, and this spur gear is second. Okay, but at first select this use a shaft first means this is a spur gear is a first, and select this and this use a shaft first is a top plane, and use this spur gear is a first is use a plane. Okay, and going to this relation is a mat, and again select a mat. Okay, this two top plane and plane 2 is just select here, and this is a coincident, and this is a okay, and again select this okay, and okay, and again select this and this is a select this shaft 3, and going to this right plane is better, and okay, going to this shaft, spur gear is 2 and select here is 2 is a plane is second, and this is a mate, and going to right plane and okay and okay, and this gear is, this relation is a perfect. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. This relation is very important. Okay, but this use a shaft first and spur gear is first, and shaft second, spur gear is second, and shaft first is a top plane and plane 2, this is a plane 2, and this right plane, this is a plane 2. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this relation is a better is this, and okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a better, and this is a this user transparency is used here, and this is a this. Okay, this use this. Okay, and again select this. Okay, this use a perfect and correct, this is a this, and this use a okay, and okay, all is perfect, and going to isometric view this. Okay, 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 okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.